Hi, Dan Beck with Credit Management Specialist. This video is going to focus on inquiries, which makes up 10% of your credit score. A lot of false information out there, or interesting information out there about inquiries. It is one of the smallest components of your score, but even having said that, it's still something we don't want to neglect, and it's something that if we understand the rules and what's going on there, we can help our score. First, we need to understand that there are two types of inquiries. There's what's called a soft inquiry. An example of those are promotional inquiries. So, let's say you get a pre-approved offer in the mail from a credit card. That credit card company pulling your credit report to see if you fit into their profile of who they want to offer a pre-approved card to, that does not hurt your score. That's a soft inquiry. Account review inquiry. So if I have a credit card with a company and I go pull my personal credit report, pretty good chance I'll see a lot of different inquiries from that credit card company. They're just checking on me. That's totally fine. They can do that, and that is not affecting my score. My insurance agent checking for my premiums or to see if I approve for the insurance. Those are soft inquiries. Employers or prospective employers, those are soft inquiries. Landlords, for example. So two pieces to figure out there. Number one, all these people are pulling your credit report for many different reasons. So in case you didn't understand that, hopefully you do now. Your credit score is a big deal. People are checking it all the time. They're using that to determine all types of different things on you. So the piece about soft inquiries, though, those are inquiries that do not affect your score. They'll show up on your personal report, but they will not hurt your score. Hard inquiries are simple. Anytime you apply for new or additional credit is considered a hard inquiry. Hard inquiries hurt your score. How much they hurt your score? Well, there's way too many factors to give you an exact number. I'll give you a range that it could cost you nothing, and it could cost you as much as 50 points on an inquiry. So there's just so many different factors in there, and we're not going to get into all those factors here today. Long story short, if you apply for something, make sure it's something you need or want, because there's a pretty good chance you're affecting your score with a hard inquiry. A couple facts about hard inquiries. They only affect your score for 1 year. So if you have somebody pull your credit report and it's a hard inquiry, which would affect your score, that's only going to hurt the score for 1 year. It'll stay on your personal report for 2 years, but the damage that's being done by that inquiry only affects you for 1 year. Auto and mortgage rule, pretty cool rule here. Basically what this means is, let's say I wanted to apply for a mortgage. I could go to a bank that offers mortgages and apply for a mortgage. And then let's say that for whatever reason I wasn't completely satisfied with the terms they had to offer me. I could go to as many other banks or lending companies that lend on mortgages as I want to, as long as I do it within 45 days of that first mortgage-related inquiry. All of those get grouped together as one inquiry when it comes to score effect. So they would all show on my credit report, and it might be that I applied at 45 places within 40 days for a mortgage. All 40 of those inquiries would show up on my credit report, but as far as score effect goes, I'm only being hit one time. Same thing with autos. It's the same rule. It's not that way with anything else, so don't go apply for 45 credit cards. You're going to get hit each time. But people tell you all the time. I have clients a lot of times that will tell me, hey, I went and applied for a car. That car dealer shot my credit report at 20 different financing and ruined my score. Can clear that up for you? That's not hurting. That's not ruining your score. That's counting as one inquiry for you. And then just the last little advice I'll give you: don't apply for credit unless you get it. Now, needing it is one thing, and obviously we all understand when we're in the need of something, we have to do that. The other time that I would tell you it's okay for credit is if you are doing what I call credit score playing. We talked about some in the last video, the mix of credit. If you're strategically doing things that would take a short-term negative effect for you for a longer-term potential gain, you're okay to do that in your situation, knowing your long and short-term goals. That wraps up inquiries for you. I hope you enjoyed this.